My name's Alison Evans. I'm a hospital play specialist.
My name is Kylie Boyce. I am a hostel play assistant. We work on a children's oncology ward at the Children's Hostel for Wales.
Lots of people aren't aware of all the different types of cancers that can affect our children and young people. This can be anything from neuroblastomas, tumours, leukemias, etc.
Play forms an important part of the patient's journey. It's important to establish good relationships with patients and their families. This means we can support them and help them understand what is going on.
Our roles are varied and include preparing children for different things such as scans, the central lines that they need to have, nasogastric tubes, any procedures that they have to have day to day, and we help distract them through play.
Our role includes supporting children and having many difficult conversations such as hair loss, and we also support them while they're going through their new adjustment in life.
It's important for our patients to know they have a safe space in which they can discuss all their emotional needs. We work closely with the multidisciplinary team and our charity Latch, which is a Welsh children's cancer charity, to ensure our patients have the best opportunity to reach their full potential.